Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to do connections for Pizzo buzzer. So as you can see in my hand, I have one Pizzo buzzer, and this buzzer have two terminals. The longer one is the positive and shorter one is negative. If you are confused and if you can't identify which one is positive and which one is negative, you can just look on top of the buzzer. You will find the plus symbol and the pin just below that plus symbol is positive. So let me do the connections. So already I have power connections. So this is the 5 volt to positive line of my breadboard, and this is ground to negative line of my breadboard. So as you know, once I do that, this entire column plus column will be positive and this entire negative column will be ground. So let's do the connection. So I am keeping positive part here towards me and the negative part, ground part, on opposite side. Okay, now let's connect the negative or ground to the ground. So this was the ground, and let's connect it to the ground. This entire column is the ground, right? So this connection is done. Now let's connect the signal pin. So here my positive, here I am providing the signal. So here let's connect it to pin number 8. Okay, so as you can see here I have pin number 8. So that's it for my connections. So let's see how to program the microcontroller for controlling the piezo buzzer. So to get the code, you can directly go to the Skill Anything website. In lessons IoT for juniors basics, you will find the code. It is on day 5. On day 5 you can see the code. So if you click the link and just click on the download, the code will be downloaded. Then open the code in Arduino IDE. Let's understand the code. So in the code we have defined some notes. If you know about the music, there are some musical notes. So it is C4, G3, and all this stuff. You can get these notes from the internet. And I am arranging this entire notes in an array named melody. So what is an array? It is the collection. Okay, it is a collection of variables. So as you can see, node C4 is one variable, node G3 is another. So like this, it is a collection of variables. So another array I have is duration array. Means each node, how long it should tune. So 4 means it will tune only for 1 by 4 seconds. So now what I will do, I will loop through each element of this melody. Okay. So how I will loop through? I will loop through using the for loop. So in array, the interesting thing is, for example, if I want to access this variable, I put it down all the variables in the array. So now I want to access this variable. How will I access? I access it using indexing. So if I say, example, melody of 0, then it will give me this note C4. If I say melody of 1, then it will give note G3. So I hope you understood what is indexing and how it works. So now let's see. I want to iterate through all the melodies, correct? So I need a loop that do it for me. So I want to take each and every node. So I will first define the variable this node and I will initialize it to the 0. What does it mean? Now the value of this node is 0. Then this is the for loop. How for loop work is first we initialize the variable. Okay, once this done, I told this node it is equal to 0. Then I define some condition. Okay, so the condition is this node, that is this value should be smaller than 8. If this condition is true, then it will execute this entire block of code. It will execute this entire block of code. And once it is done, it will increment it. You can do plus plus, you can do plus 1, whatever, plus 2. So it will do some increment on what? On our initialized variable. So once increment is done, then again it will see, okay, this node is smaller than 8. Previously it was 0. I did plus plus, that means it becomes 1. So it is smaller than 8. Yes, it is true. Then again run this entire thing. So I hope you got the idea how loops work. So now here I am using the tune function. So tune function, what does it take? It takes the pin number at which pin I have buzzer connected. After that, I will take the melody note. Okay. After that, I take the duration. How I calculated the duration? Duration will be in milliseconds, correct? So node duration is equal to 1000 divided by duration for this node. So I defined here node duration array also. Okay. From here, I am getting the duration and then I am taking some pause also. So how much pause I am taking? That is the 130% of original duration. Okay. So then using the no tune, the buzzer will stop buzzing. Okay. So I hope you understood the code, how this entire thing is working. If it is not very clear for now, it's okay. Later in the course, we will again go through the arrays and loops. There you will get the even clearer idea. So let's compile this code. So for compilation, I will click this button, verify button. It is saying done compiling. Now let's upload this code. So for uploading this code, here I will select the form port and board, as you know, and I will click on this upload button. So once uploaded, you can see the buzzer is buzzing in a particular pattern. So I hope you understood how to use Pizzo buzzer and how to program it. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, bye.